Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into a brand new collection from Sweetie Nail Supply. This collection is from Rozyhip. It is called the White Flash Collection, and I really love this bright, bold pink box. The packaging is absolutely everything. We're going to open it up here and check it out. We have a beautiful color swatch card. I really like when collections provide these in the box. It's just a really nice touch. And then we have really beautiful, unique packaging. I really like the sleek bottle design. It's a little bit different shaped, which I really like. And then we have the color on the bottom. And if you look really closely at the bottles, it also has this beautiful white glitter shimmer to it, which is really a nice touch to kind of tie the whole collection together. And I'm just getting a good feel here of the consistency of this formula. And then here are all 10 of the colors. We are going to be diving into 8 out of the 10 today. We're going to create a really fun kind of gradient ombre moment. These gels right here absolutely are beautiful. They're beautiful on their own, and they also look really good with this gradient ombre effect that we're doing today, which I figured this would be a great way so you can see some of the beautiful colors in the collection. You can see the consistency of one coat like we're doing right now, and then we're going to build it up to 2 coats so you can really see the beautiful color payoff. Now this is with no flash, so this is what it would look like indoors, and you're still getting that beautiful sparkle. If you wanted to get that gradient effect just like a little bit more pristine and crisp, you can go in with an ombre brush, but you honestly do not need to do this step. I was just kind of seeing how the gel performed that way, but I was able to get a really beautiful gradient effect without utilizing that brush throughout the rest of the process. So that's what it looks like cured, and then we're going to go in and build it up just a little bit more. And to me, this is when you can really see the full beautiful colors just come to life, and you can see that beautiful micro, which is white reflective glitter coming through. It's a very thin consistency, but yet it still is very powerful with one coat because you're still getting tons of beautiful shimmer. I feel like this collection is great if you just want like a beautiful glitter ombre, like a waterfall effect on the tip of the nail. These are really easy to work with, so you can just go in with one coat and you don't have to work super hard to get that beautiful reflective glitter. And then if you want to go all out, you could do 2 coats, and here's what it looks like with the flash. It is absolutely beautiful. With the flash, you can definitely see all those beautiful white glitters just have a moment to shine right through. It's absolutely breathtaking. This is going to be a great collection to get you through the summer. If you don't want to do an all over glitter look, you can do so many different things with it because it is really pigmented. So we're just sealing this nail with a layer of gel top coat, and then we're going to move on to the other colors. Now once I was done with this set, it was giving me kind of a sparkly mermaid kind of moment here. These colors are definitely awesome for summer. Honestly, they're great for any time of year. And if you are looking for a great syrup with that perfect delicate sparkle, this is going to be for you because see right here with that one coat, it's just a very delicate look. It's very beautiful. It's just elegant on its own, but you get a very dramatic effect and a total game changer when you go in with 2 coats. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into the rest of these beautiful colors so you can see them in action, and then I'm going to pop back in at the end with my final thoughts.
myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
All right, so we're just finishing up the top coat on the last nail, and then here's the finished set. This is without any flash on here, and it looks beautiful just like this. But when you put the flash on, you can see all that white reflective glitter just comes shining through. And then this is without a flash, so you can kind of see the full set on without a flash, and you're still getting a really beautiful bold glitter effect. And I really like just the flow of colors kind of melting together. And then check it out with the flash. It is absolutely beautiful. So if you are looking for some beautiful Korean syrups with that perfect bling, this collection from Rozyhip's, the White Flash Collection, is definitely going to be for you. And if sparkles are not your cup of tea, head over to Sweetie Nail Supply. You're definitely going to find something that catches your eye from all the new arrivals to get you ready into that transition into summer. And there's some amazing spring must-haves. You're going to find something to spark your creativity. So everything we used in today's video can be found in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next one.